Laundry acquired.
Ah!
Yeah.
Ah! Oh.
I think it's time for some food.
It's 11:40 here in Indonesia today, and we figured it's our last day in Bali. It might be one of our last chances to get some very delicious Italian food.
Because Bali is a tourist place and they have so much international options.
We're gonna go get some Italian. It's right below our hotels, which is very convenient. It's pretty highly rated. And then later tonight, maybe we'll be hitting up some more Indonesian delicacies.
What will we get?
It's a mystery. We've had a pretty chill trip here in Bali so far, which is always good. This is what we needed between our chaotic Mindanao trip and our soon-to-be chaotic Indonesia trip.
That's very chaotic.
So we're gonna chill again today. I think today is our last day. We're really gonna be able to chill for a while. So we're gonna maybe go out to the beach, not film it, eat some food, get our hotels for Yogyakarta, which is where we're going next, and
a train.
A train. Let's eat some food first. This place has free pizza samples. That's pretty good.
Oh, it is pretty good.
Dang, it'll be hard not to get pizza. Look at how thick this menu is. My God.
Someone call that a thick boy.
Thick boy alert, Chip.
Chip.
Hey, we both got some strawberry mango juice. And it looks very nice and tall. Pretty thick. Thickness is always delicious.
Thick boy alert.
Oh my gosh, that is very good.
Oh, really?
It's like really good. That might be the best juice we've had.
It was also the most expensive juice, so I hope so.
It was very expensive. This is a lot smaller than the one we got yesterday, and it was a little more expensive than that one. The one we got yesterday was thick, like this tall.
And that was smoothie too, so it had some yogurt and stuff.
All right, try this. It's very delicious.
Mango. That's a very sweet mango, my gosh. That's an epic mango.
Mango epicness already. Flavorful to the max.
Definitely the best juice we've had. That is flavorful to the
What
max.
just happened?
I don't know, like I was looking, that's weird.
All the people are looking at us when they walk by because we are just so dang cool. I get my peaches down in Georgia, yeah, that's it.
I get my mangoes right from the source, yeah.
Yeah. What the frack is this thing?
The pastas have arrived.
What is this contraption right here and right
I don't know,
here?
there's a lot of garnishes.
And there's some leaves. Is this like our leaf flour pasta in Italy? Oh wow, look how cheesy that is. Okay, I got some noci. A 4-cheese noci, and it's got some cheese on there. I got 5 cheese actually. There's Parmesan on it now.
Oh.
Should be pretty dang good. It looks cheesy and delicious and nocified. Oh my, that is cheesy and delicious.
Is it also notified?
It is nocified. If there's one thing I'd call this, it'd be nocified. What the heck is this thing? It's very soft. I'm still not sure what it is. It's covered in Parmesan though, so it tastes like Parmesan. This is really good pasta. It tastes more authentic than a lot of the pastas you can get outside of Italy. It has the Italian like cheese flavors.
So far this whole experience has been pretty authentic.
Except for this.
The juice, yeah, the juice of the mango in it.
That's really good. Italian pasta in Bali, fantastic. Oh my gosh, yours has a bunch of different shapes in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on in there.
Unsheath your swords and use the knife, please.
Okay.
What are those large black things?
I think those are the tortellinis.
Oh, scary. Why are your tortellinis black?
They're very unique shaped tortellinis. And then we also got some shrimper boys.
Oh, a seafood pasta medley.
Oh, a very unique flavor.
Have you ever gotten a seafood pasta before?
No. No. It kind of just like gives like a nice seafood aroma to it, but not like any crazy flavor or anything.
Yeah.
That is very interesting. And then I got some tomatoes in there. Tastes like tomatoes. And some shrimpers. Very good shrimpers. Some call them the shrimpers of
We had a gremlin start making noises behind us.
I think that's because I was so funny, obviously.
It
They were
is,
laughing
you
at
are
my
funny.
jokes.
The shrimpers, you could say that shrimpers are the chicken of the sea.
I was literally going to say that, too.
Frack in Italy. Are you there right now? I think so. Oh, hey, I'm walking in.
Our food was eaten very quickly.
Delicious. Portions are small, which is unfortunate for the price, but everything we've eaten in
Italian
Bali
food.
so far, we're still like not hungry, or we're still hungry after it.
Even when we see something that's like, oh, that was that big portion, then we're still not full.
Yeah, it's odd. I don't know why that's the case, but that's been the experience in Bali so far. Expensive and not as filling. What the heck?
But tasty.
Yeah, it is. That was really tasty.
Okay, I pull up.
Dinner after party, I'm a capybara. Only capybara, they invented that song, right?
I think so.
Hey, it worked. We got a fragging hotel in Jakarta.
Hey! We've just been planning the last few hours exactly what we're gonna do on Java, and now we have the plan. We just have one more thing to buy, but that's a surprise for another video. And right now I wanna try some frackin' French fries.
I gotta pee.
He's peeing. Hopefully you guys can hear it. Wow! Ketchup French fry chip. I have something similar to this in Korea, like little chips. Oh, these are much poofier. The ones in Korea were like small and crunchy. Whoa, I guess there's ketchup on there. The ketchup makes them have this weird sweetness. I'm not sure how I feel about it. They do taste a decent amount like French fries, actually. Huh, I like those. He's done peeing. I like it. Oh my gosh. Oh, those swim trunks.
It's time to hit some waves.
We're going into the nighttime waves again. We'll let you know how it is. We're not going to bring anything, unfortunately. Guys, I've made a discovery. It comes with chili ketchup.
Okay, I pull up to the end of party, yeah. How was the ketchup?
It's literally just like a sweet chili sauce. That's actually pretty good. I wish I would have found that before.
Those are the messiest chips ever. You have to sauce them and their chips. That's pretty frickin' epic. Why would you go to McDonald's when you can just get fries in a bag?
It's so much better.
Go to the beach. Let's go right now.
It's beach time. Hopefully our nipples don't die.
I feel like some Indonesian desserts right now.
After all those crazy waves.
I have just the place. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, hey. How's it going there? Nice to meet you, sir.
I get my pictures down in Georgia.
I think we should just stop the video right now.
I get my pictures down in Georgia.
The back streets of Bali? You can't even see a thing?
Hey guys, we're taking a scary street again. Wow, it feels like India. We took a scary street like this when we were in Bangalore.
You literally can't see a thing on the GoPro. But I mean, I guess we're just gonna keep walking. Oh, it's very peaceful all of a sudden.
Oh, it's so nice when there's no motorcycles. Motorcycles suck.
So last night, they were literally going all night. Just super loud.
Huge caravans of them. There'd be like 1,000. They're like,
Like not even joking 1,000, like maybe even 2.5K.
gosh, terrible.
We have made it to the place.
We're definitely, there's a lot less tourists over here.
Yeah, a lot less.
We walked through a few dark alleys, across the bridge, and now we're here.
It was quite the journey.
I hope it's good. Pisang Goreng, let's try it.
Hello. We got this, and this.
We're trying everything we can.
All the desserts to start our meal today.
People are like, oh, we got to make a lot of different types of bananas now. Welcome. So when we were here in Bali, we were like, what do you eat in Bali? What are like some best things? So we looked up a list, and Pisang Goreng popped up on there, and this was one of the only places where it literally was called Pisang Goreng.
Toggles. Hey, buddy. Oh, crazy.
And so we're coming here. Pisang Goreng is apparently just like a fried banana, and we got chocolate on top. But we also tried the pisang nugget and the banana roll. So we have a lot of different stuff coming, because why not? Indonesian desserts, let's try them.
And the prices for this place were very affordable.
Yeah, this was about the price for one of our drinks earlier today. And we can get 3 whole things. And the guys seemed to think it was funny we got so much stuff.
We gotta try everything.
Hey everybody, we're here. We're ready to eat some Pisang Goreng. Ah, awesome. Oh man, this is a lot. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Well, we're gonna get a lot of potassium today.
Lots of bananas.
This looks very good.
That looks tasty.
So we got banana rolls, pisang
Banana
goreng,
rolls.
pisang goreng, and pisang nugget. This was supposed to be chocolate, but I made the mistake of asking what the best seller is, and then confusion, and we ended up with tiramisu, I'm pretty sure, which is okay. Let's try it.
It's the best seller.
It's the best seller. It smells like, the banana part smells delicious. That's super good. The outside is so crispy. Oh no, it's not overly greasy. It's not overly sweet. It's kind of just perfect. It's like the perfect way to have a nice deep fried banana like that. Wow, that's very good. I guess I'll grab a bunch of this. Looks almost like this banana has become, I thought it would be a lot softer than this based on how it looks. I don't know what this is on top. Brown sugar? No, it's not. Oh, I don't know what that is. It's a very different smell than I was expecting. Oh,
Is it really sweet?
no, it's not very sweet at all. I'm not sure what that is on top. Maybe it's some sort of mild sugar, but I'm really not sure. It tastes very good still. I still like how the banana is cooked for this. I'm glad we were able to try the different versions. I like that. I can't tell if it's sugar or not. I feel like if it was sugar, it'd be a lot more sweet. This is the vanilla banana rolls.
Well, that's crunchy.
The vanilla, very sweet, but this is very like fried. So it's a very it's kind of like in Hong Kong, I got a churro with frosting on it. It's kind of the same ordeal with that. It's like the deep fried flavor with a nice kind of frosty sweetness on it. Oh, that is really good. All of these are very good. Even this one. And that has tiramisu. I don't even like tiramisu, but it still tastes dang good. All right, you can give this a whirl.
It's time to whirl it up. They call me the Whirlpool Man.
The Whirlpool Man?
Or Polly Whirl, actually. All right, let's test this. Guys, if you didn't know, I'm not a big fan of tiramisu either, but I got COVID, and it changed my sense of smell, and now chocolate and coffee are kind of similar.
So will it taste the same to you?
So, yeah.
Oh, you almost lost some of the banana right there.
That is so good.
It's it's like perfectly cooked.
That is really good. I love that.
Let's remind everybody how much we just got. Yeah, that's a lot.
We'll tell you the price after and how much it was in total, too. It's really doused in the sauce. And I think it's a perfect amount. That's so good.
The coconut's a good choice on there, too.
Yeah.
Kind of another flavor, another damper to it.
Very tasty.
On to the next. Banana nugget.
Wow, we're really gonna have some potassium today.
Yes, we are.
What is that, good for bones or something?
It's just going to be good for our whole life. And it's good for killing zombies.
Well, yeah, that is unique. It's 1,000 times less sweet than this one.
Yeah.
But it also has its own flair to it. That's really good.
The banana still comes through. Pretty good.
Also, very tasty.
Only the rolls left.
Did you know I actually own a Rolls Royce?
Really? You're rich? Oh, there's a massive bus coming behind you on this very narrow road.
Wow.
Everybody was looking at us.
Apparently, if you just walk like 15 minutes the direction we did, you're really out of place. all of a
Yeah,
sudden.
suddenly there's no tourists.
Oh, that vanilla's so good on top.
It is. I don't know what kind of frosting it is. It's very nice, but not like super like chemically sweet.
It reminds me a lot of the ones that are chemically sweet but without that.
Yeah.
So it's amazing. Like you said, it's just a lot of fried because the
So
banana's
small.
really small in there. So it's just a thin texture in the middle. It's an interesting way to start your meal, but I will say it's a great, I don't know if I'd say it's a great way, but it's amazing
It's
food.
our appetizer.
Yeah, the appetizer for what's to come next.
I don't know what that is. All right, wait. What's your favorite one of the bananas? That one? I'm having a hard time. I might like this one the best. I like this one. I like the tameness of that one. But this one is also very, very good. So I'm not sure which one I like the best.
I mean, this one.
This one's super good too.
No shots taken.
No. I'm honestly not sure. It's anyone's game.
It's also making me very thirsty.
We usually get pretty close.
Is that an owl?
Ooh, ooh. Ooh, that's actually a goblin. Yum, yum.
The bananas have been devoured.
I think at the end, this was actually my favorite one.
So his was a vanilla. Mine was still this one. This was probably my second, third.
Tapas. Are we in Spain or Bali? I don't even know anymore.
We just gotta finish the meal out with some tapas.
We got basically appetizers, desserts, and then we got appetizers for a meal as well.
So I think that's possibly the most complete meal we've ever had.
I would say, I mean, my croquettes and corn that I got will probably top off everything.
And my meatballs and fries.
Yeah, baby. Let's go.
Croquettes and corn.
Am I in Spain right now? I don't even know. I haven't had a croquette since I was in Spain. So let's see how this is. The bacon croquette.
Oh, we never said what the price was of the place last time.
65.
65
Super
for all
cheap.
those bananas.
That's a lot of food for 65. Not sure what that is. Garlic aioli or something? Ooh, hot. This is good. Just look at the potatoes. They're like really creamy in there. And then the bacon.
There you go.
Oh, the bacon, like hammy bacon really comes through. It tastes very good. It's like just like a nice creamy. It's like if you took some creamy mashed potatoes, put a little bit of yummy ham on there, and then deep fried it into a ball. Yeah, it's a croquette.
I think it's a croquette.
Corn. There's a lot of cheese and chili powder. So, here we go.
That is cheesy.
That's good. It is cheesy, which is exactly what you want on a nice big piece of Latino corn. Patatas bravas are very delicious.
I'm very scared how spicy this is gonna be. Look at that. They look so good though.
They do.
And they taste really good. They have like a very sweet sauce on there. Spice. Manageable for now. Thank you.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Meatball.
The spice will definitely grow on me, but it's manageable for now.
Is it like the fries in Chagall? They just got worse and worse?
A little less, I think, for now.
You got the meatball. They're not Swedish meatballs. They're Spanish meatballs.
They taste really good. A lot of marinara sauce on there, but the meatballs themselves are just...
Are you Italian? That's
They're
not
filled with...
This is Spanish. What better?
What an excellent dinner we've had today. I'm sure you guys will love watching us eat this dinner.
It's very delicious. I am the king of tapas.
We've completed our food. We're very full, actually, for such a weird meal.
There's a lot of food. There's a lot of different things being shoved into our mouth. Delicious.
Do you want to shove anything more in there?
Give me the phone.
Guys, I heart Bali.
Me too. That was a delicious dinner we had. We had Italian food, we had a wide variety of Indonesian bananas, and we had some Spanish tapas. What more could you get from a day in Bali?
I don't know, like some cool mountains, nature, scenery, stuff like that.
We also went in the waves, and the waves were the size of mountains. Sometimes they were like this fracking tall.
It would go from the water being at your stomach to literally double our heights. That's insane.
The waves on this beach are epic, and it was a very fun time out there. I just wish I had a boogie board so I could be like, and then die and break my neck.
It was very painful today. But very fun.
Do I have a tan now?
Oh yeah, totally. I totally can't see the shining white skin.
Ah!
Are you turning into a scaly boy?
I am scaly now. It's the end of the world as we know it. Thanks for watching our Bali series, everybody. Tomorrow we are leaving to Yogyakarta. Are you prepared for that? Are you ready? I think I'm ready. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be so shocked by everything there. You should be excited. Do you taste that?
What is that?
It tastes like the tar sauce from Pizza Hut.
Whoa, the tar sauce in the video we made yesterday? That's crazy.
It's crazy how many references we can make. But you know what I said? That's actually lures demons to you. What is that? Holy water?
I still taste it.
Oh no. No.